48 Charlie. So we got all the airplanes down here. 48 Charlie. 48 Charlie. I feel like I skipped over it there, just 48 Charlie. So that's the airplane we're in today. So this is a weight and balance sheet. Okay. So it shows the center of gravity. This is the kind of chart. Shows you where we are. So with the current loading that the last flight was in, that's where it was. So I'm gonna put in. Like today, the sun, especially when you have like an overcast layer like this, the sun doesn't heat up the ground as hard. So you don't get those thermals that kind of kick you around. So it should be pretty smooth. Stall warning horn. So if you go too slow, you hear that? That's what you're gonna hear.
That's the hair. Okay.
So
that means
on this side's working. I see red. Strobe. Lastly, the position light on the rear. Okay. White, we're good. So, electrical walk around's done.
Yep.
Let me go ahead and turn everything off.
Nigga about to fly a plane. On God! I got you, brother. There you go.